Shiba Inu's burn rate has just exploded by 11.99% in a single day, with nearly 1 billion SHIB burned this week alone, as Bitcoin smashes to a new all-time high and the crypto market gains serious momentum. SHIB is showing signs of a major shift. From massive exchange outflows to whales quietly accumulating, the setup for a potential breakout is building. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck! But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 22nd of May, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1541 units. SHIB's price is up 4% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $472 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $9 billion, ranking it as the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. SHIB burns skyrocket 11,899% as crypto market gains large momentum. The SHIB burn tracker has revealed that, over the past day, the SHIB burn metric has logged a 5-digit increase, with several tens of millions of meme coins sent out of circulation. This sudden SHIB burn surge took place after the crypto market gained bullish momentum thanks to a new all-time high reached by Bitcoin. Burn rate jumps 11,899%. The recent update published by the aforementioned source of data reveals that over the past 24 hours, the SHIB burn rate has spiked by an impressive 11,899%, thanks to a large amount of meme coins burned this time. Cumulatively, 28.7 million SHIB. There have been 3 burn transactions today so far. The transactions were initiated by anonymous whales. 1 billion SHIB burned in last week. According to a weekly burn update published by Shiba Inu affiliated X account, Shibarium Updates, over the last week, the SHIB team has managed to dispose of a massive meme token amount. In total, 1,095,269,361 SHIB has been driven out of the crypto market and locked in dead-end wallets. These burns were conducted via the SHIB Burn portal on the Shiba Inu website. As soon as another minimum amount of SHIB is collected from transaction fees on Shibarium, another burn will take place. So far, 2.5 million SHIB and 115.52 BONE have been collected to be burned later on. Market gains momentum thanks to new Bitcoin all-time high. On May 21, the largest digital currency by market capitalization, Bitcoin, registered a price jump as it finally reached the long-anticipated new all-time high. This time, Bitcoin soared to $111,800. The previous historic peak was smashed on Jan 20, with Bitcoin reaching $109,350 per coin. The current price surge took place as spot Bitcoin ETFs registered massive inflows. $329 million came in on Tuesday. Another trigger was the U.S. Senate finally passing the stablecoin bill, removing a key procedural barrier for U.S. crypto businesses and serving as a big bullish driver for the broader cryptocurrency market. If you're still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. SHIB signals accumulation as exchange outflows and burn rates spike. Shiba Inu appears to be entering a period of steady accumulation after enduring a prolonged market downturn. The token currently trades within a narrow consolidation range, a pattern often indicating positioning ahead of a significant price movement. On-chain data from CryptoQuant has confirmed a notable rise in SHIB transactions, increasing from 6,200 to 7,510. With everything happening around the token, its price has been relatively constant, usually a sign that more people are buying it than selling it. There was a significant net exchange outflow of minus 111.8 billion Shiba Inu tokens on May 20, indicating that large investors are moving their crypto into personal wallets with confidence in its long-term value rather than preparing to sell. Another sign of this emotion is the increase in SHIB's coin burn rate. In the last 24 hours, the burn rate jumped by 5 million tokens from 84.6% to 85.81%. The increasing rate at which tokens are unlocked favors tightening the token supply and strengthens its overall positive outlook. Indicators down signal waning bearish pressure as SHIB holds key levels. Technical indicators are now reflecting signs that bearish momentum may be weakening. The relative strength index is currently positioned at 51.51, slightly above the neutral midpoint. This level indicates a balance between buying and selling, with a potential tilt toward bullish momentum if the RSI moves beyond 60. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. 5.76 trillion Shiba Inu in 24 hours. What happened? The volume of transactions on Shiba Inu reached 5.76 trillion SHIB on May 20, a startling increase. The underlying on-chain metrics and price structure point to a more complex and potentially bearish reality despite the headline's potential to thrill retail traders. The sharp increase in transaction volume, which topped 5.76 trillion SHIB, appears to be more the result of internal repositioning or distribution than of organic accumulation. Into the block's on-chain metrics reveal four bearish signals: declining addresses in the money, flatnet network growth, and declining whale concentration. Retail enthusiasm is also waning, as evidenced by a slight decline in Telegram activity and community engagement. On top of that, 54% of SHIB holders are still underwater, which increases sell-side pressure whenever the price even slightly rises. Since large holder wallets hold 74% of the token supply, any increase in volume caused by these entities is just as likely to precede a dump as it is a pump. In other words, this recent volume spike may be more about smart money cashing out than rally preparation, unless SHIB confidently breaks and holds above the 200 EMA. Shiba Inu's golden flash. With the 50-day exponential moving average progressively approaching the longer-term 200 EMA, Shiba Inu is displaying early indications of a possible golden cross formation, although this crossover is typically interpreted in technical analysis as a bullish signal. SHIB's future is far from assured. In terms of price, SHIB has been comparatively steady in recent sessions, circling around the 100 EMA just above important support levels. The token is forming a base once more in anticipation of a catalyst that will push it higher, following its previous unsuccessful breakout attempt above the 200 EMA. An impending momentum shift may be signaled by the 50 EMA's current proximity to the price action, but this needs to be confirmed. Nonetheless, the obvious drop in trading volume is among the most obvious warning signs.